Hello, welcome to SAT Math Review. My name is Jonathan. We are discussing the College Board SAT Practice Test Number 10, Section 4, Question 26, Subject Functions. Keith modeled the growth over several hundred years of a tree population by estimating the number of the tree's pollen grains per square centimeter that were deposited each year within layers of a lake's sediment. He estimated there were 310 pollen grains per square centimeter the first year the grains were deposited, with a 1% annual increase in the number of grains per square centimeter thereafter. Which of the following functions models P of t, the number of pollen grains per square centimeter t years after the first year the grains were deposited? Let's set up a table showing t years after the first year and pollen grains per centimeter squared. When t equals 0, that's the first year the grains were deposited, and that's 310 pollen grains. When t equals 1, that's 1 year after the first year the grains were deposited, and the pollen grain count is reflective of the annual 1% increase. A number increased by 1% is equal to multiplying that number by 1 in 100th. So when t equals 1, our pollen grain amount is 310 times 1 in 100th. When t equals 2, the pollen grains from t equal 1 are multiplied by 1 in 100th. So that's equal to 310 times 1 in 100th times 1 in 100th. So the function p of t, the pollen grains start at 310, and then for any number of years after t, the pollen grains increase by 1 in 100th t times, which is expressed as function p of t equals 310 times 1 in 100th to the tth power. And that's answer choice D. I hope you have enjoyed this analysis as much as I have. In the description section of this video, I provided resource links for the College Board SAT, practice tests, and answer explanations. Please continue with question 27 by clicking on the left side of the screen, or review my SAT Practice Test Number 10 Section 4 playlist by clicking on the right side of the screen. And please subscribe to my SAT Math Review channel by clicking on the blue circle at the top of the screen. I'm actively rolling out new videos, so please be on the lookout for them. See you next time.